Hi guys, for today's video is magmala inspiration gaming tayo ngayon dahil meron akong i-share sa inyo para maging aware kayo para hindi kayo ma-hack or ma-scam. So kailangan nyo to panoorin para kapag meron kayong marireceive na mga ganitong email, alam nyo na ang inyong mga gagawin. So, tara, atin ang umpisahan. So, meron ba kayong nare-receive na mga ganitong email sa mismong mga Gmail account nyo? Kung oo, panoorin nyo to ng mabuti at sa mga hindi pa nakakaranas nito, mas panoorin nyo to para hindi kayo ma-scam or maloko. So, ano nga ba itong suspension alert? Tsaka itong flag. So, uunahin muna natin i-discuss itong suspension alert. Ang suspension alert is matagal na to gawain ng mga scammer. So dito is magpapanggap sila na munton. So dito is magpapadala sila ng email sa iyo na ikaw ay merong nilabag na rules dito sa Mobile Legends. Para mawala daw yung suspension alert mo is kailangan mo magbayad ng pera. Pero isa po itong kalokohan. So kapag meron kayong nare-receive na ganitong email is huwag nyo na lang papansinin. So mapunta naman tayo dito sa flag. So halos magkapareho lang din sila ng suspension alert ng mga galawan nila. At ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat ang conversation nila. Okay? So basahin nyo na lang guys. So ayun na lahat guys, kapag meron kayong nare-receive na mga ganyang email is huwag nyo na lang pansinin. Huwag kayo kabahan kasi hindi yan totoo. Hindi ugali imunton na sila mismo yung una mag-i-email sa inyo. Okay? So para maiwasan natin yung mga ganyang sistema is huwag nyo ipakita yung email address nyo kung saan nakakonect yung ML account nyo. Kasi dun sila magsisend ng ganyang email. So lalo na dun sa mga nagbebenta ng email accounts nila, huwag nyo ipapakita yung email address kasi pag once na pinakita mo yung email address is magsisend sila ng ganyan sa inyo. So sila lang din yung gumagawa. So sila din yung may gawa niyan. Okay? So sana mag-ingat kayo lahat guys kasi sobrang dami talaga ng mga nahack ng mga ML accounts ngayon. At sana meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito. So yun lang. Peace out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. You fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Double
As
kill.
you fade away. As you fade away. As you your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.